Hello students, good evening. My name is Yogendra. I am maths teacher at askIITians. Okay, so today we are going to do lecture number 2 on rational numbers. Okay, I hope you have seen lecture number 1 and then you're continuing to the same chapter. Okay, so let's understand this. Okay, we already discussed about the weightage of this chapter in your final exams, right? It comes for 6 marks and it is really important for IMO perspective or Olympiad exams perspective. Okay, this is very important chapter, right? You can easily expect 2 to 3 questions, okay, or even 4 questions sometime, okay, from in the Olympiad exams. So let's do this. Okay, this is what, okay, we are going to do lecture number 2, right, as I said before. Okay, so let's understand. I hope you remember what are rational numbers. What are rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in P by Q form, right? Those are what are rational numbers. So we are seeing operations on rational numbers, right? So all integers, whole numbers, okay, positive, negative integers, okay, those are all real numbers. Fractional number, decimal numbers, okay, those all are rational numbers we are going to study. Apart from root 2, root 3, okay, root which cannot be bring into whole numbers, okay, those forms are what, those roots are what we don't consider as rational because they can't be represented in P by Q form, where P and Q both are integers and Q is not equals to 0, right? So let's continue further. So what we are going to see, distributivity of multiplication over addition of rational numbers. It could be addition or subtraction also. So basically what we are going to see today, what we are going to do today here, suppose for example, I am taking like 2 into 3 plus 4. So what we will do here, okay, we using BODMAS rule, what we do, we solve the bracket first. So 2 into what will be 7 and this is what 14, right? 14 is the answer. But if I want to distribute multiplication over the addition, so what we will do, 2 will go and multiply it to 3 and 2 will multiply it to 4 also. So what we are going to see here, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So we are getting 6 plus 8, which is exactly the same result which we got by following BODMAS rule. So this is what distributivity. Okay, we need to remember that A times B plus C is going to give you what? A into B plus A into C. Means this multiplication is getting distributed over the addition. It is same for minus also. What we'll do, A into B minus A into C. This is what we can do, right? I hope you're getting it. It is pretty simple, right? You can understand. So let's see more examples, right? We can see any numbers. Okay, I took simple examples, but you can take like these examples also, which they are showing here. 4 divided by 3 into 7 divided by 9 plus 8 divided by 3. Right, so what we can do here, you can do in 2 ways. Okay, like either you do, now it's your choice whichever way you want to do it, right? So you can multiply here 3 and 3 to make the LCM same. So what we will get, 4 divided by 3 and here we are getting 7. LCM is same, so can I write down 24, 8 3s are 24 divided by 9. So 4 divided by 3 into how much is this? 31 divided by 9. Now we can add it, right? We can okay, this is like multiplication. So 27 here, and what is we are getting here? 124 divided by 27. Now we could have done by using distributivity property, right? It will go here, it will go and multiply here also, right? So what is it here? 4 divided by 3. Let me change the color here. Yes, 4 divided by 3 into 7 by 9 plus 4 into, originally it was 8 by 3, right? So 8 divided by 3 into 3, right? This is what we have. So what do we get here now? It is 28 divided by 27 plus it is 32 divided by 9. Now I need to make the LCM same, right? I hope you are getting it. So 3 I am multiplying here, so it is 27. Now 28 here plus how much is this here? 3 2 is 6, 3 is a 9. So what are we getting here? 4 and 11 and 12, right? 124 by 27. So it is coming exactly same, right? So this is how we prove distributivity of multiplication over addition or subtraction also, right? So this is what, okay, let's do this now. Now you can say, sir, this is minus here, no problem. Okay, if it is a minus b, it is same as a plus of minus b, right? So you should not get here any difference, right? It is like plus only we can write, okay? But if you want, you can apply with this also minus directly. Use distributivity of multiplication of the rational numbers over the addition of this here. So what do we have? Let me write down 2 by 7, and it is 7 divided by 16 minus 21 divided by 4. Now I need to distribute. I need to use the distributivity property. So I'm going to multiply. It will distribute here. It will distribute here, right? So 2 divided by 7 into 7 divided by 16 minus 2 divided by 7 into 21 divided by 4. Okay. So we got here 16 sevens are 7 fours are 7 6 are 2, so 4 is there, and then 112 right here, and in the numerator we got 14 minus here 28 and here 42, right? Now LCM is not same. What should we do? We should make the LCM same first, right? So what we will do here, we can multiply by 4. We should multiply by 4 up and down. You remember that, right? LCM taking and all, you know. So LCM becomes what? Same now. Why? Because it will be like 4 8s are 32. So 2 here, 3, 4 2s are 8 and 3. So 112 only we get, right? So it is 14 minus, now here 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. So what are we getting? Minus. Now I can subtract it. What we are getting here? 4 here, then here 5, and then 1. So this is what we got, 1 1 2. Now we can give this simplified answer. We should give this simplified answer, so it can go by 2 easily. 2 5s are and 2 6s are. Here also it can go by 2 easily. 2 7s are and 2 7s are. Can it go by any other number? Yes, I think by 7 it can go. 7 times 11, and here 7 8s are. So what is our final answer? 11 by minus 11 by 8. So this is what we used here, distributivity property, right? Minus 11 by 8 we got, right? I hope you're understanding this. Right? Yes, we could have simplified here by multiplying here this and 7 threes are, right? We could have done that way also. That would have been easier. So it's now up to you which way you want to proceed. You could have gone, okay, alternative here was what? 7 7 you cancel, so it will be 2 divided by 16. Even you can cancel this also, 2 8s are, right? Minus here now what do we get? Here 7 threes are and then 2 twos are. So what we get here? 3 divided by 2, right? So we are getting 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. Now we can make the LCM same here by multiplying 4 4. So what we are getting? 1 minus 12 divided by 8, which is nothing but minus 11 by 8. So calculation would have been easier, right? Now it's your choice, whichever way you want to do, right? Both ways you can proceed, by the way, right? I hope you have understood it. Okay, right? Let's do these questions. You should try these questions. You should pause the lecture for some time and then you should do it yourself, right? So, okay, let me do this first question for you. So what is it? Use distributive multiplication over this. Okay, so here minus 5 divided by 4 into 8 divided by 5 plus, okay, minus 5 divided by 4 and into 16 divided by 15, right? So now we can cancel here. There are few things which can be cancelled. 5 you should cancel. Then here 4 2s are, so we are left here minus 2. 5 3s are here and 4 4s are here, so we are left with 4 divided by 3. Now here 1 is there, so 3 we can multiply. So what are we getting here? What are we getting here? Minus 6 and minus 6 minus 4, so minus 10 divided by 3. This is what our answer, right? I hope you got it right. Now next question. Okay, let's do next question here. Now second number question. Let me change the color for you so that you can differentiate between two. Okay, now 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay, let me rewrite here. 3 by 4 over 8 by 9 minus 40. So 3 by 4 into 8 by 9 minus 3 by 4 into 40. You need to be careful with the signs. Like here minus was there, so minus was going with this. Okay, so that's why finally we got minus here. You need to remember that. So here also 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9 here. Now 4 10 here. So what we got here? 2 divided by 3 minus what we got? 30. Now what is it here? 1. So we can take the LCM here. So what are we getting? Minus 90 divided by 3. So minus 88 divided by 3. That should be our answer, right? I hope you got it right. So do practice these questions, okay, these type of questions more, and be good in this topic. It is really very easy. I hope you enjoyed. It is very easy, right? You should practice these kind of questions again more and more, right? Okay, thank you very much, and watch my next recording also, right? Next lecture as well. Thank you.